English Armenian B Basics, B equals.
Լինել.
Welcome to B+.
Լինել.
Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and cheat sheets. Grab your imaginary cape. Today you master the English verb be and its Armenian superforms like
Ես եմ.
and.
Դուք եք.
If a buzzing bee says, I just want to be, you'll reply, same, little buddy.
Լինել.
Exclamation mark quote. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say all core forms confidently, short, sharp, smiley. B.
Լինել.
I am.
Ես եմ.
You are, singular.
Դու ես.
He is.
Նա է.
She is.
Նա է.
It is.
Դա է.
We are.
Մենք ենք.
You are, plural, polite.
Դուք եք.
They are.
Նրանք են.
Mini dialogue, fast and funny IDs. Listen, repeat, and smile, short lines, big confidence. You, I am here.
Ես եմ այստեղ.
Me, yes, you are the early bird.
Դու ես վաղը եկածը.
Okay, not a worm in sight. You, pointing, he is the guide.
Նա է ուղեցույցը.
Me, whisper, she is the speaker.
Նա է խոսնակը.
Together, relieved, it is the right door.
Դա է ճիշտ դուռը.
Team chant. We are ready.
Մենք պատրաստ ենք.
Coach to group. You are the winners.
Դուք եք հաղթողները.
Crowd pointing. They are on stage.
Նրանք են բեմի վրա.
Call and response drill. Echo me, clear and rhythmic. I cue English, you shout Armenian. I am.
Ես եմ.
You are, SG.
Դու ես.
He is.
Նա է.
She is.
Նա է.
It is.
Դա է.
We are.
Մենք ենք.
You are, plural, polite.
Դուք եք.
They are.
Նրանք են.
Bonus. To be or not to be.
Լինել, թե? Չլինել.
Culture tip. How Armenians say be. A tiny secret to sound natural. In Armenian, everyday speech uses short forms like
Yes. Է.
but the dictionary form you look up is be equals.
Լինել.
So you'll hear I am as
Ես եմ.
not a long form of to be. Your mission, link English be to.
Լինել.
Then use the quick present forms in real life. Lightning quiz. Answer in Armenian first, then I confirm. Ready? Go. Q1. Say, I am. A.
Yes, am.
Q2. Say, you are, to one friend, singular. A.
Du yes.
Q3. Say, he is. A.
Na e.
Q4. Say, she is. A.
Na e.
Q5. Say, it is. A.
Da e.
Q6. Say, we are. A.
Menkeng.
Q7. Say, you are, to a group, plural, polite. A.
Du kek.
Q8. Say, they are. A.
Naranken.
Q9. What is the infinitive, be? A.
Linel.
Challenge. 1 breath roll call. Take a deep breath and try to chain them all, fast but clear. Say this in one go. I am.
Yes, am.
You are, SG.
Du yes.
He is.
Na e.
She is.
Na e.
It is.
Da e.
We are.
Menkeng.
You are, plural.
Du kek.
They are.
Naranken.
Then point at your coffee and declare dramatically, to be or not to be.
Linel te. Chilinel.
Outro. You did it. Nice work, short practice, big upgrade. You now command be equals.
Linel.
And the whole squad, I am, you are, SG. He is, she is, it is, we are, you are, plural, they are. Keep repeating these in daily moments, mirror pep talks count. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more lessons, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.